How to boost your microphone volume on Discord. So first you want to open up Discord and then click on the user settings icon. And from this left navigation, you want to scroll down to voice and video and then click on it. Now first make sure the input device is selected correctly to your microphone and your headset. And the volume is at 100% for the input volume. And you can customize the output volume however you like. Usually keeping it around 100% is good. And then you can scroll down to the input profile and either select voice isolation so that Discord removes the noise, or you can set it to custom and then customize it yourself. Now in the input mode, make sure that it's either voice activity or for push to talk, you want to set a button to be able to talk. But usually voice activity is good. So it picks up your voice whenever you speak automatically. And you can adjust the input sensitivity right here. You can enable this to do it automatically or disable it and basically adjust the decibels used to determine input sensitivity. I usually keep it automatic like this. And you can also enable echo cancellation and noise suppression if you'd like. And then you can scroll up and click on Let's Test Mic. And then you should hear yourself right here and basically adjust the settings depending on that. Now, if you notice interruptions in your voice or in your mic when you're testing, basically try to disable the echo cancellation. And if it persists, try to disable noise suppression and set it to none like this from Crisp. Now, we are done with Discord. Now we can go to the Windows settings and basically right click on the audio icon on your taskbar and then click on open or click on sounds, and it should open up this window right here. Now go to the recording tab, right click on the mic and click on properties, and make sure the mic has this green logo or icon next to it, which means it's set as the default input device. You can click on it and then click on set defaults right here. Then on the mic properties, you want to go to levels and make sure the microphone volume is at 100%. You can also increase the boost if you would like the mic to sound louder, but I usually keep it at 0. Then you want to click on OK and then apply and OK. Now you should restart Discord and basically join a voice channel, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.